Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. What we fitted today is a Starline i96 on this 2021 Transit Custom. So this immobiliser uses a pin code on the steering wheel which can be between 3 and 21 presses, or can be paired to the customer's phone with an adjustable Bluetooth range. So at the minute we've got the phone in here, so with the phone connected, I turn the ignition on, hear a melody and the vehicle will start. If the customer's phone wasn't here, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth off to demonstrate that. If the customer's phone wasn't here, they'd have to use a push sequence on the steering wheel between 3 and 21 presses to disarm the system. So ignition on, the code we've set for the minute is 1, 2, 3. Hear our melody and the vehicle will start. If someone was trying to attack the vehicle, say clone the key, steal the key, they obviously didn't know the pin code that the customer set and didn't have the customer's phone with them, the vehicle would just start up and stall. As you can see, if they try again, it will just start up and stall. So that's how the vehicle is protected. If they wanted to take it for a service, this can be done either through the app on their phone, which is the easiest way, or through the buttons. So through the buttons, it's ignition on, disarm the system. It's disarm through the phone, so we've got it here. But if not, put the push sequence in. So now to put it in service mode is 11 presses, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps and you'll see the phone will change. So the yellow circle shows it's in service mode. When you get it back, you can either pop your disarm code in, or you can go into the app, press and hold on the yellow circle till it goes green. Release, 2 bleeps, and now this vehicle's protected. Finally, if they want to change the code at any point, change the disarm code for when their phone dies, when they're out, or they just want to disarm it using the buttons and not the phone, this is how it's done. So ignition on, disarm the system, hear our melody. Now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, back on. 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn. So we'll just change it to another button that gives us a bleep when we press it. So this one, 2. And we'll change it, 3rd button, res. So I'll repeat that again. 1, 2, 3. Get the same confirmation. And that's the new code learned. So after about 10 seconds, this system arms itself, and you have to put the pin code in, or the vehicle will obviously be protected. So we'll just try that pin code now. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3. Melody, we can start. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle and you want it secured, we're Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. As you can see, the vehicle's died and it's protected. Once again, our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.